right now. A lot of damaged trees in here. Look at this. This is the top of that one way up there. It's over here. That one's broken off. Top's broken off in here. It'll all be cleaned up. Quite a mess. It's down on the shore there. A little bit of wind. Biggest storm of the season, and it comes in the middle of March after we had all of our snow had melted and it was just bare ground. That plowed up nice though, perfect. I didn't dig up that dirt at all. I didn't do that today, that was the other day. That's what you have to lift the blade up. And that's just a little spot where it's scuffed, but these are the shoes I was talking about. One on each side. You put ring spacers to adjust how high you want it to hold that blade off the ground when it's down. And it helps it so it doesn't dig in. Makes quite a difference. I was in the truck from 3 a.m. to like 10 p.m. the next day, so it's like 18 or 19 hours before I threw in the towel. Narrow little roads down in here, quite a mess. I really like that light bar I forgot. It's an X-Brite 27 inch. We're talking maybe another storm Tuesday. That'd be crazy. Let's see if we can get some of this cleared out of the way. Yeah, I slept pretty much the longest I've ever slept after a storm. I think I was like 12 hours, barely blinked. It's hard to do one hand. Make it worse. Well, I have a suction cup and a GoPro, but I can't find my micro SD card. That's what I got. Up. I'm just gonna go in V and go through here. I'm not playing with this mess. Try to put it down. See, there's gravel. You listen for the gravel lots of times. It's the first indication. Snowballs going down the side of the truck. I've got some good scratches. They get gravel in them. It's a lot deeper right in here. See this V-plow, I'm just idling through here. Bump it out a little bit so the snowballs don't hit the side of the truck. It's all granite. Lined in here, the whole yard. Up for sure. It's got stone dust in here. And then granite edge. It won't hurt the granite edge, you might scrape it. I'm sure he doesn't want it scratched. Let me get turned around. get back with you. I'm gonna back drag that over there. I'm gonna do a good job here. I'll be right back. Oh, this is a battle in here for sure. Try it again. Did the best I could, and I still scraped up a little bit there. But those shoes definitely helped. It may not have looked like we did much, but this is when we went down through here. There's some of the snowballs that were... See the marker stake? That would dent your door in. It's pretty much perfect. I mean, if you go any deeper, you're going to tear the driveway up. The only thing I might try to do is, again, hold the blade up and like wing this back. But he's not living in here right now. Just wants it open for to be checked on and for emergencies. That's the one that hit the side of the truck. I heard it. See, I've got that fire extinguisher on there. With that plow. That plow pump solenoid can stick on, and all the extra electronics and stuff is a good idea. Plus, you're out in storms. It might not be you that needs it. A lot of crazy things happen when you're out. Crazy hours during storms. Started to gouge that up. And lucked out, lifted that up just in time. Don't move too much of that. A couple of snowflakes in the air here. Another storm, maybe. And I think this is hopefully about it for this one.